Hey everyone, this is Kai, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can change your chat background to the WhatsApp background inside Go High Level. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is once you're inside our tutorials, find our scripts. With this script, you'll be able to change your chat background to the same background as WhatsApp's chat. Alright, so let's go. Inside the tutorial, for those who don't know how to get to this page, I'll walk you through it step by step. You'll go to steve.chat in the core. In the right corner, just click on your little jumping goal icon, click on Portuguese here, and go to Advanced Resource. Not Advanced Resources, sorry, Integration with GHL. Then you'll click on this item here, changing the chat background to WhatsApp, and then you'll copy this script. After copying this script, what do I need to do? Inside your sub-account in GHL, you'll switch to the Agency View mode. Kai, I don't have Agency View mode. In that case, you need to ask the administrator, the owner, the person you are affiliated with, to make this change for you, alright? You'll come here to Settings. After clicking on Settings, go to Company, then to White Label, and here you'll paste these scripts inside the Custom.js section. Mine is already set up, that's why I won't paste it, but you just need to paste the script here. So in this case, I'll just add it to show you. Once you've pasted the script, click on Save Changes, and that's it. The WhatsApp background will automatically appear. So showing you here, ours already has the background, that's why I didn't click on Save Changes, but you just need to make this modification inside White Label and it will work perfectly. Thank you to everyone who watched until now. This video is a bit shorter, but it's very straightforward. If you have any questions, leave a comment here and the team will be ready to help you. Also, the support link is in the description. That's it, and see you in the next video.